These are the elevators at Interstate Commerce Center in Sarasota, Florida. There's two buildings here. And this is the one labeled 6001 from the outside. Let's go to 3. This is the building where Everglades University has offices. There's your inspection certificate. ThyssenKrupp Aurora fixtures. I'll cut them when we get the other elevator. Let's go to 3. Phone button looks a little different. Here's your inspection certificate. So 6001 is Lake Osprey Drive. The other building is 6151, which we're going to check out next in a separate video. There's a lot of cameras up here. And there it goes. And that'll be it.